cold. So today I'll teach you some super useful winter vocabulary. Let's start. Freezing. Very cold. It's freezing outside. Snowy. With a lot of snow. It's a snowy day. Frost. Thin ice on things. There's frost on the window. Snowflake. Piece of snow. A snowflake landed on my hand. Blizzard. Very heavy snowstorm. The blizzard was really bad. Sleet. Rain plus snow. It's sleeting outside. Frostbite. Skin damage from extreme cold. You can get frostbite in this weather. Slippery. Easy to fall. The road is slippery. Snowball fight. Throwing snowballs for fun. We had a snowball fight. Winter break. Holiday in winter. I'm excited for winter break. Icy. Covered with ice. The roads are icy today. Snowstorm. Heavy snow plus strong wind. A snowstorm is coming. Winter wonderland. Beautiful snowy place. The park looks like a winter wonderland. Frosty breath. Visible breath in cold air. I can see my frosty breath outside. Icicle. Hanging ice from roofs. Icicles are forming on the roof. Snow angel. Lying in snow and moving arms or legs to make shape. We made a snow angel in the yard.